Sharing a neutral in a three-phase, four-wire system is generally not permitted by the Electrical Code. Article 300.3 states a neutral conductor shall not be used as a phase conductor or vice versa. However, there are a few exceptions to this rule. Firstly, neutrals can be shared within conduit or cable assemblies that are part of a multi-phase system as per NEC 310.15 B 13. Secondly, in certain cases, sharing neutrals is permitted in 277/480 volts lighting circuits according to NEC 410.105. Thirdly, sharing neutrals is permitted in motor circuits under specific conditions as per NEC 430.36. Sharing a neutral in a three-phase system can create potential safety hazards. If the loads on each phase are not balanced, the voltage on the shared neutral can fluctuate, leading to equipment damage. Sharing the neutral increases its current load, which can lead to overheating and fire hazards. If a fault occurs on one phase, the neutral conductor can provide a path for fault current bypassing ground fault protection devices. If neutral sharing is not permitted, there are alternative solutions. The most common and preferred option is to run a separate neutral conductor. Also, you can use a transformer with separate neutrals, or use a system with an isolated neutral.